Alright, this afternoon I'm going to be testing out this GoPro Fusion, I think, 360. Thank you for Jared Kelly Smith for lending it to me. So I'm going to try and plan to kind of rig a pole kind of extending out on the helmet. So I've got a kind of a GoPro shoe mount just there, and I want to slide it in. Yeah, pretty much like that. I've got this mount on now. It is a bit, you can definitely feel the weight on the side. Let's test this one first, see if I can try and do a full lap, and yeah, let's see how it looks. Alright, see how long this lasts. I don't know if it's gonna do it or not. So the mounts weren't exactly the best. Definitely want to come back next time and maybe rig some better mounts. I wouldn't mind getting maybe a 360 swivel mount or something. And the helmet side mount is just too much weight hanging for one little sticky mount. So I definitely want to get maybe a stronger sort of rig that can hold the weight, or we'll have a much better setup.